Hi everyone, welcome today. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be learning on how we can repair a broken Hinges laptop. Like of this model of this sort, for example, you can see this one, the hinges is broken, right? Like even up to the level that the bezel of this one also got damaged. So today we are going to learn on the procedure on how we can do it step by step gradually. Though on some laptop it seems somehow difficult, but this one it's going to be cool. If you're new to our channel, please support us by giving us a thumb up and a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. So if you want to continue to see such video from us. So you can see right here, this one, the hinges has been damaged. This is mostly caused when the hinges it's been stiff enough and you try to apply too much force on it. If you try to apply too much force on it, so it's hard to uproot from the bezel or maybe from the base, because most of them is being manufactured with plastic while the hinges is being made out of iron. So if you apply force on it, it's going to uproot from it. So we are going to first of all open our laptop as normal, take out your screws. But for this one, I removed the screws already. I took out the screws already. So you first of all use your screwdriver to take out your screws. This is a model of the laptop. This one is an HP. This is HP gaming laptop. This is HP gaming laptop. You can see it having two slot of RAM, two system fan for CPU and the GPU. This one also comes with two slot of NVMe. It's a good and a powerful laptop, but all the procedure are same despite the brand of laptop. All the procedure are same. So normally, first of all, you have to be able to separate your base from your top as usual. Before doing that, you need to disconnect your battery from your laptop to avoid short circuit, to avoid short. So that's the first precautionary purpose you have to take. So we have to take out our to separate it. We have to remove the screws from our hinges, but this one will require us to take out the heat sink because the hinges is beneath the heat sink. So this model is different due to the nature of the laptop, but not all laptop will require you to take out the heat sink, because some, like this one, I have to take out the heat sink because the hinges is beneath that. So after that, we are able to have access to our hinges, and right now we are trying to undo the screws from it. So even on this model of laptop is somehow, because it requires us to take out also the motherboard, because one of the hinges is beneath the motherboard. So before having access to the motherboard, I need to take out the screws, because this gaming laptop, the way the manufacturers do it is somehow. So right now, after separating our base from our screen, as you see right now, we have to remove the broken hinges, and we have to look for a plier to be able to to increase the flexibility of it. There is a nut, there is a bowl at the end of it. You have to use a plier to try to undo it a little bit so that the flexibility of it will increase. And after doing that, you have to go back to your broken hinges where you need to replace it. So you have to look at the position where you're going to put back the hinges, because you're not going to be able to have money to buy a new hinges for this. So you definitely need to use this procedure to work it. So you need to look for the exact position. You need to look for the exact position, place it well at the exact position, so that when you want to mount your laptop, you're not going to, the alignment will still be the same. Because if you don't fit it at the exact position, when you want to mount your laptop, you see your laptop will not be same. Maybe the shape will not be same. It will be unable. You will find it difficult to close it. But if you put it at the exact position, it's still going to be same like from the manufacturer. So you have to look for a glue. This glue, you can see it in any local computer shop or even building material shop. You can ask for it. Like for example, this one I'm using is called an epoxy glue. You can have it anywhere around any local computer shop or a construction building material shop. This so they are mostly common there. You have to, because they mostly come in pairs, so you have to mix both of them. You have to mix both of them together. You have to mix both of them together and stir it simultaneously. Stir it so that you have to put equal amount of it. You have to stir it. Use any stuff to mix it perfectly. Mix the mixture. It should be good enough. After doing your mixture and you see that it's perfectly okay, you have to place your glue where your hinges was uprooted from, the exact position where your hinges got broken. That exact position, you have to put your glue before putting the broken hinges. So you have to remember that you have to put the glue, because your glue will go first before putting your the hinges which was broken. So make sure you put your glue at the exact position. Make sure it doesn't affect the screen or the LCD. Don't forget to give us a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Support us by giving us a like button. Okay, right now you have to put back your glue. You don't need to wait for the glue to set. You have to put back your hinges at the exact position where your glue got damaged, where your broken hinges got damaged. So you have to fit it perfectly, where you have to check if everything, you can be able to clip back the bezel of your laptop. If everything is, there is no gap, there is no space, and at times you will have some little quantity of glue coming out of your side of your laptop, so you have to clean it while it is still very fresh, so that when it's dry or when it's solid, it's not going to give you marks or scratches on your laptop. You have to look for any clamp material, anything you can hold the bezel, or if you don't have it, you will definitely use your hand to hold it down for maybe possibly for 5 minutes, because the glue I'm using, it's a 5-minute glue. There are glue for about 10 minutes, 1 hour, and the rest, but it's good to use a fast dry glue. So after you're done by everything, the next step for you is just to mount your laptop. Just have to mount your laptop gradually on the procedure according to the way you remove it before. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Give us a thumb up if you love this video. Pause back and give us a thumb up. Share our video, and any doubt, go to the comment section and leave your comment. We're going to serve you. Hope to see you in our subsequent videos. You follow us to learn more. Follow us to acquire free and more knowledge. So you can see right now how we can be able to remove our screen freely. It's very, very good. See how perfectly it is, like nothing happened to it before. So with this, you can learn more and do more. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.